In WhatsApp, you might have added lots of stickers. If you want to edit those stickers later, you can. In this video, we'll show you how to edit stickers in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application. Then, select any contact, for example, by choosing this contact. Next, you'll see the stickers option. Tap on it. When you do, you'll find several options. Select the stickers option again, then pick any sticker you want to edit. For instance, I want to edit this sticker. To do that, long press on the sticker. When you do, an edit option will appear. Tap on it. This will take you to an editing page. If you want to add more stickers to this one, here's what to do. You'll see a button like this. Tap it to add another sticker. For example, I'm adding this sticker. If you want to move it, just tap and drag it wherever you like. You can also resize it using 2 fingers to pinch in or out. For example, I'm placing it here. If you want to add more stickers, go ahead and do that. For now, I'm using these 2 stickers. If you want to add text, just tap this button, and then you can type whatever you want. If you want to change the font, you can do that. You can also change the box design by tapping here. If you don't want the box, you can remove it too. For now, I'm keeping it like this. If you want to align the text, that option's available. Anyway, tap the Done button. Then, you can place the text wherever you want. For example, I'm putting it here. If you want to draw on the sticker, tap the pencil-like button, and you can draw whatever you like. You can also change the pencil options here. Or switch colors, as that option's available too. For now, I'm keeping it like this. Once you're done editing, tap the Done button. After that, your sticker will be created. To send it, just tap the Send button. When you tap it, the sticker will be sent. You'll then see it in the sticker section. That's how you can easily edit any sticker in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.